Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this wildlife camera here. This wildlife camera comes with 4K resolution. This is a 4K video wildlife camera with 60 megapixel Full HD and Wi-Fi with mobile phone transmission app. The motion sensor, night vision, and 0.1 second of trigger time, infrared wildlife camera with 32 GB of memory card and a card reader. And it's IP66 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor. It's no problem for it. This wildlife camera here with mobile phone app. We can download the app Trail Cam Go, TRAILCAM. Go, G-O, out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. Manually connect our phone to the Trail Cam's built-in Wi-Fi, or we can connect it via Bluetooth. We can easily set the parameters and save images or videos from the Trail camera to our phone via the app. The connection of the Wi-Fi has a distance limit about 65 feet in open range, of course. The Lutranstra PR5000 wildlife camera with night vision and motion detector and a 4 million pixel color CMOS sensor that can record 4K videos and 60 megapixel photos. It also has a 120 degrees wide angle lens that has a large field of view. We can clearly see the wildlife clearly during the day and the night. We look at the pictures of deers, raccoons, opossums, and so other animals playing at the night time. For example, the videos are vibrant and color-rich in detail for us to enjoy. This wildlife camera with motion detector and night vision comes to us really ready. The wildlife camera equipped with 46 pieces of 940 nm infrared LEDs with a range of 80 feet. Using an infrared sensor, produce detailed black and white night vision images and capture the moments of the wildlife. The 4K WiFi Trail camera will be triggered instantly in only 0.1 up to 0.3 seconds without the delay, so we never miss a shot. And entering a normal operation from -22 degrees Fahrenheit up to 158. The dense structure, the waterproof coating, and the well-sealing rubber ring protect the trail camera from rain, snow, and of course from dust. So we don't worry about bad weather. The trail camera can work well even in harsh environments such as deserts, grassland, and tropical rainforests. If you look at the screen, we see a 2-inch display, and we have a menu button to switch between the menus. Up, down, right, left buttons and an OK for enter. And we have a shot button to take a picture or a movie. The mode will switch between them. A replay button to see what recorded. We have a loudspeaker, a TF card on the bottom side, and of course we have a battery box. In this battery box we can add 4 AA batteries, or we can add up to 8. To switch and set up that device, the camera is on-off status. The screen will open and we can work the motor parameters in setup mode. And we press on key. We wait 10 seconds and the screen will close. The camera enters infrared detected mode. Job's done. And of course, we can also pair this device via the app from the Android or the iOS store. And after paired done, we can choose the settings what we like. No problem, isn't it? And we can install a microSD card from 4 up to 128 GB of memory. And then we can start recording and have fun with that camera system. It's really cool because it's so easy. And of course, we can change parameters. We have a 4 megapixel lens, 2-inch LCD screen, 4K resolution. Video format is AVI. Video length is about 10 up to 10 minutes. Photo resolution from 60 megapixel down to 2 megapixel with JPEG format. You see, with that Wi-Fi 4K trail camera, we can make a lot of good stuff. This is the wildlife camera from 4K. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Wildlife is the king. Soon.